In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your Microsoft Word document using columns to enhance its readability and make it look more professional. This is a simple and effective way to organize your text, especially if you're working on newsletters, reports, or any document that needs a cleaner layout. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you need to open the Microsoft Word file that you'd like to modify. If you haven't opened the Word yet, go ahead and do so, then select the document you want to work on from your files. I'll give you a moment to get that ready. Now that you've got your document open, take a look at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see several different tabs in the ribbon menu. The one we're interested in is labeled Layout. Click on it, and this will reveal multiple options related to the structure and formatting of your document's pages. Once you're in the Layout tab, you'll want to direct your attention to the Columns button, often found towards the left side of the new menu. It's typically labeled quite clearly. Click on Columns and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you several column configurations to choose from. However, we are going to focus on creating more control and customization. So from this drop-down menu, click on More Columns. The More Columns option opens a new window that allows you to specify the number of columns you want for your document. In this case, select 2 to split your document into 2 separate columns. But don't hit OK just yet. Before you proceed, ensure that the option labeled Line Between is checked. Checking this box will add a visible line between the 2 columns, making it clear where one column ends and the other begins. This is an optional yet useful feature that enhances the division and organization within your document. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click OK to apply these changes to your document. And there you have it. Your document should now be neatly divided into 2 columns with a line between them. This new format can greatly elevate the presentation of your content, helping readers navigate through it smoothly. If you follow these steps exactly, your document will look much more polished and professional. Whether you're crafting a detailed report or compiling an interactive newsletter, using columns is a straightforward yet powerful tool to enhance your document structure. Thank you for following along, and until next time, happy formatting.